Braun Series 5. Braun's patented active lift. Especially engineered for problem areas. Unique oscillating middle trimmer with 130 movements per second. Lifts and cuts flat-lying hairs for a thorough shave in problem areas. Braun's most advanced OptiFoil. Ergonomically designed foil holes consistently capture hair all over the foil to cut hair deeper than ever before. Braun's Contour Adaptive Shaver Head. Perfect adaptation to facial contours. Braun's triple action cutting system. Three individual cutting elements work simultaneously, cutting long hair as easily as short hair. Braun shavers are 100% waterproof and fully washable. Easy to clean under running water. Braun Series 5.